This video is going to be a bit different. I've not done one of these before, so I thought I'd do unboxing and a tool review all in one. So the first thing to take note of is the name. This is the Roughneck Gorilla Gripper. So straight out of the blocks, it's a good name. It's a solid, strong name. You know, that inspires confidence in me. If this had been called something like the Fluffy Fingered Limpy Pincher, I perhaps, you know, wouldn't have been as inclined to buy it, or at least not for this particular application. So let's get in and have a look at what we've got. Okay, so here it is. Now, just having a quick look at it straight out of the box. It seems, you know, really well made. It's kind of got a rugged construction, aluminium framework here that holds the mechanism that you use for gripping. Big chunky handle, soft grip on there, so you know that feels got quite a good grip, positive grip. So this is used for mainly shifting board materials, 8x4 sheets of plywood, MDF, melamine faced MFC, plasterboard as well. I won't use it for plasterboard, but I think I read that you can actually use plasterboard. We can use it to move plasterboard. So looking at this handle, what happens, if I can try and explain, is that when you grab this with the material in here, this handle acts as the lever basically onto this mechanism, which is what grips the panel, and the weight of the panel basically provides all the gripping strength that you need in there so that you can lift it up one-handed and move it around a lot easier than trying to shimmy a 8x4 sheet of plywood up onto your shoulder or across your arm span, which is how I do it at the moment. So let's see if I can show you on the small bit of ply. Okay, let's see if I can demonstrate on this small offcut of 18mm veneered MDF. So this might actually be too light. You might not get enough leverage on the mechanism. So, oh, there you go. It seems to be holding. Yeah. See, it might fall out if I shift it. No, it seems to be doing an alright job of it. Slipping a bit there. So yeah, that's the basic principle of it. Let's go try it on a bigger board. So this is where we keep most of the board material when it comes off the truck. We just load it here. This is the entrance to the workshop, so it's nice and easy to stack it here to start with. Then we can move it as and when we need it. So I'm going to give this a go now. I'm actually going to use this on a bit of 12mm ply, so we'll see if it manages to grip that. Well, there we go, that works really well. That is so much easier than trying to manhandle it on my own without one of these. Can't believe I didn't get one earlier. So I just thought I'd show you close up how this thing works. You just drop it on over the panel like that. This is an 18mm piece of ply, and you lift the handle here, and as you lift it, it grips the panel so that you can pick it up. So see if I can move that around here. Slides over the top, and as you pull the handle up, that lever mechanism works and you grip very tightly on that board. And those two non-marring gripping pads that we looked at earlier, they just give a good amount of friction on there so that the board isn't going to slip out. So that's it for this video, just a quick one, just a tool review and an unboxing on that Gorilla Gripper. Hope you found it interesting. Please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to post a few more of these videos like this in the next 20 days, 25 days to try and get this challenge of subscriber base and watch time up to what I need it for before the 20th of February. Anyway, thanks a lot. See you in the next one.